Let's roll. It's left. Left. Let's go. Left. Oh, left, bro. Go. Listen to me, man. There we go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. We're going to lane change to the left coming up. There you go. Hold it. It ain't time yet. There it is. Get it in there. Get it in there. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. It's green. Let's roll. I'm saying go. You hit and brake, brother. Let's roll. It's left. Left. Let's go. Left. Oh, left, bro. Go. Listen to me, man. The car know what they doing. So student drivers, make sure that you're listening to your instructor and pay attention. Don't be out there trying to think you know what's going on or you know the rules. You ain't know the rules before I got here. How you know I'm not? To the right, pick up the speed. Stay here. Pick it up, brother. Pick it up. It ain't time to look there yet. Now check it. You gotta follow me, man. I gotta keep you safe.